In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automate task status based on % complete in Smartsheet so your status updates automatically as work progresses. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet and make sure you have both a % complete column and a status column available. Next, click the automation menu at the top of the screen and select Create Workflow. This is where you'll configure the automation. Choose a workflow that updates a cell value when certain conditions are met. Then set the trigger to monitor the % complete column. Now, create a condition that checks when % complete reaches 100%. For the action, set Smartsheet to update the status column to completed automatically. You can also add additional conditions, such as setting the status to in progress when the percentage is greater than 0 or not started when it's 0. Once you've configured the workflow, review the settings and click Save to activate the automation. To test it, update the % complete value on a task and verify that the status column changes automatically. That's it. You've successfully automated status updates based on % complete in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.